When it comes to the Soarer SC, automatically I think of the third generation Z30, which pretty much stayed the same for 10 years. And I get it, why mess with a good thing? I want to talk about this unique wing lion emblem, aka the Soarer SC300. What's up guys, my name is Dom, and today I wanted to talk again about the SC300. If you missed my video yesterday, I made a video dedicated to the SC300, SC400, and SC430. If you like this information and you really like the information I provide to you, please do subscribe and like. 1991, Toyota commissioned its Calty designer team, Calty, to create a new design, and fortunately during that same time, Toyota was debuting the third generation Z30 Soarer in replacement of the Z20 chassis. It was perfect, guys. It was longer, it was wider, it was more luxurious, it was better than the Crown. Guys, it was crazy. The Z30 was one of the first vehicles to mass produce a factory GPS. As I said before, between 1991 to 2000, there really wasn't that many changes. 94 to 96, we get an updated bumper and taillights. Then 96 to 2000, we get updated bumper, oval fog lights, longer rear bumper, updated taillights, and a new spoiler. Then, fun factory, guys, again, 1997, the Soarer GT, which was a 2.5 liter inline-6 1JZTE motor, was a patrol car. There are multiple different engines all over different countries, right? In the US, we got the SC300, which had a 3.0 liter 2JZ non-turbo. Different countries got the 1JZ GTE, and of course we had the V8, which was based off the LS400. So like I said, 91 to 96, the Z30 was one of the sportier versions, and the GTTL, which was the luxury trim, which had a little bit more, nicer wood, all that good stuff. This version had that 1JZ GTE twin turbo. It was pushing 279 horsepower and 268 pounds of torque. However, I call BS on that. I really don't think they were giving out the right spec. Over in the US, we had the SC300, which was the Z31. That had the 3.0 liter non-turbo. 94 to 96, it had 222 horsepower and 210 pounds of torque. Then 97 to 2000, it had 227 horsepower and 224 pounds of torque. Woo! Z30, which was the V8 version, right? Had the 4.0 liter V8. Then we had the Z31, which was the Soarer GT Limited. The Z31 Soarer Limited was a luxury GT version with the V8. And the Z32 was a Soarer that was also limited, but had a four-wheel steering system. Only 873 were made, guys. Here's some quick fun facts for you. In 1992 to 1997, we know that the SC300 had a manual transmission version. It was also limited. They only made 3,883 of them. And technically, the SC400 did not come in a manual transmission, but the president of North America Toyota, which was Jim Press at the time, made an SC400 factory manual transmission version. So there's one. There was a conspiracy theory with Lexus, right? And they said that the manual transmissions were not really targeted for their market. Older people didn't want them, but they knew that depreciation was going to happen. So, in my opinion, and also a theory, it states that they did it on purpose. They knew that the value of that manual transmission was going to hold. Conclusion, guys, I'm a huge fan of the SC300. It's growing on me slowly but surely. I really like it personally. If it came to the Supra, which is 3 times the amount, I think I would probably go with the SC300. Gentleman, luxury version, and you could still swap a 2JZ if you really wanted to. Anyways, guys, that's it. So please do like, subscribe, and comment.